arrays outside, and the space station runs purely on solar power. So that we run about 50 kilowatts, and our next shuttle mission we will get even more solar power. Over. That's a good question. So far aboard the ISS, since we are close to the Earth, we are protected by the Earth's magnetism, so we don't get so much radiation. But we're studying the effects of radiation on the body, so that when we go to the Moon or Mars, we understand it and can protect. Over. Yeah, the problem with oncoming meteorites in space debris, we have a two-part plan. The big pieces that are coming to us, we can see them from the ground. We have the radars on the ground can protect us. So if we see something big coming, we move out of the way. The little things, we have armor on our space station, and that protects us. Over. Yes, on this mission we have professional astronauts from different countries. Yuri's from Russia, me and Sandy are from United States. Soon there will be Koichi, he's from Japan. We all are professional astronauts, meaning we've gone through our training. We are in excellent health, and we've trained a long time for these missions. Myself, I trained 4 years to be up here. Over. Liftoff is a very special time, especially the very first liftoff. You know, I wasn't nervous. I was very excited because it was my dream coming true. I was able to finally go into space, and it was so exciting. Over. Even though when we go around the planet 16 times a day, we see 16 sunrises, 16 sunsets, we don't use that to keep our time. We have computers everywhere, and our schedule is on the computer, and we're always looking at the time so that we can figure out our schedule. It's very busy. Over. Yeah, we can't bring up very many personal belongings. We can bring up just a few small things, but all the important things like our music and our pictures from our families and friends, we can keep on a computer. I myself have over 40 electronic books on the computer. Over. Yeah, we don't have very much room for our personal belongings, and we're also very busy sometimes, so we don't spend too much free time, but when we do, we like to look out the window. Over. Yes, we have to be very healthy to even get up here, so most of us will not get ill, but if we do get ill, we have medicine aboard the space station. We also have access to doctors, and we can call them and they can tell us what to do. And on the very worst case, we can come back home on our rescue lifeboat, which is the Russian Soyuz. Over. Yes, that's a very good question. We do not know the answer because we haven't stayed in space for too long, but we can see the general trends, that we lose our muscles, we lose our bone mass. So every day we exercise for 2 hours. In fact, now we even have a new exercise machine, and we think that will help us be able to stay in space for a long time. Over. Yeah, we go around the Earth at 26,000 kilometers per hour. That is super fast. That is faster than the fastest Formula One car, or faster than the fastest train. So we go around the Earth 16 times each 24-hour period. We see 16 sunrises, 16 sunsets. Over. Yeah, we spend a lot of time training for just such emergencies. For example, for fires, we have fire extinguishers. Other things that we worry about, if we got a hole inside the